House committee has voted to hold Attorney General William Barr and Commerce Secretary Wilbur in contempt of Congress. That vote marks an escalation of Democratic efforts to use their House majority to aggressively investigate the inner workings of President Trump's administration. Let's bring in Attorney David Bruno. David, good morning.
Good morning, Cheryl.
Immediately thought of you when this news crossed late in the day yesterday afternoon. This is the House Oversight Committee. It's the Elijah Cummings-run committee, and they seem to be really trying to, I would think the Supreme Court was going to be the ultimate voice on the issue of the census question, which is where this subpoena comes from against the two gentlemen. But the House committee doesn't want to wait on the Supreme Court. Why?
Don't ask me. I agree, right? Because this has already been argued before the United States Supreme Court, and we are waiting on the constitutional decision whether or not this could be on the questionnaire or not. But the House doesn't want to wait for this, and I think there's a common thread between all of the committees. Do whatever you can to embarrass the Trump administration, attack the Trump administration, and this is campaigning at its best right now for the Dems. Yeah,
I guess to answer my own question, it's all politics, and that seems to be what they're playing. But any lawsuit that they actually may try and file, this is that committee in the House Dems, it's being said that that could bring up a constitutional clash that we've really never seen before between the White House and Congress because of all these committees looking for all these documents, whether it's for documents related to the Mueller report, whether it's documents related to the census question. Is there a legal route, do you think?
No, you're absolutely right, because what we're talking about is executive privilege. And that has been asserted by Don McGahn, various different witnesses in front of the Intel Committee. And now here, because this is what the Trump administration is going to do. They're going to claim that the documents that they're requesting, and by the way, the administration has already provided 17,000 documents on this point.
Exactly.
And the administration is saying what's not provided is work product and executive privilege.
Yeah. They get one set of documents, and then they go over and then they go after to Barr and Wilbur on the census question. But before I have you, really quick, late-breaking story yesterday. The sailing coach at Stanford, he was the first person to actually be sentenced in the Varsity Blues college admissions scandal. Prosecutors wanted 13 months. He got a day. Time served. Is this going to be good news for the rest of the defendants in this story?
Yes, absolutely. Because the government stood up yesterday and was asking for 13 months. And there are some, including Ms. Hoffman, who has agreed to 4 months. So that is showing that a judge may take the sympathetic defendants, which most of them are high quality, high wealth type people, and they may be getting no jail. But this individual did not benefit, did not receive a dollar. All the money went to the college, so they could actually be a little different.
I don't know. The judge really scolded the prosecutors from what I read in the testimony. David, thank you so much for all things legal this morning. Great to have you.
Have a great day.
You too.